looks like there's a little bit of traffic here, and hopefully I can start to demonstrate some of the benefits of the Auto Rev Match down feature, okay? Auto Rev Match downshifting is, generally speaking, looked down upon in the manual community because it takes away from the enthusiast experience of having to blip the throttle yourself to downshift. Rev matching is a skill, and when you execute a good downshift with rev matching, you feel amazing. But there are particular situations, especially if you're daily driving a vehicle, where you would almost hate yourself constantly rev matching yourself. And it's why auto rev matching is ideal. Okay, so now we're in traffic. I'm going to show you the benefit of auto rev match. Okay, this car is braking. I'm going to auto rev match downshift. I'm in third now. I'm braking, then I'm going to auto rev match downshift to second. I'm braking. I want to push myself into the right lane because I'm trying to take the DVP, okay? And I'm going to find an opportunity. Found one, I'm pushing myself in. And I'm going to upshift, okay? Because I'm gaining some speed here. Again, now he's braking, I'm going to downshift. Again, no hassle. And I'm going to look for an opportunity to go again, one lane down to the right. This guy's speeding up, so I'm going to upshift. Okay. Again, I don't want to block traffic behind me. I want to keep going. Luckily, this guy's he's continuing to go. I'm switching to the right lane because I see an opportunity. Okay, great. We slide ourselves in. Now we're going. Okay, this guy wants to change lanes. Okay, so I downshifted in the case he forced himself in. Now I'll upshift. Again, I'm not worried about the throttle here. Okay, my clutch is fine because the car is giving me the perfect amount of revs to switch gears down, and obviously going up gears is no problem. And we navigated that situation. I feel like auto rev match downshifting in that situation is so much more convenient than having to deal with constantly blipping the throttle.